It's a lie, a fantasy recreated by people and places to select them to be. And you know what true is? It's a little baby you're holding. And it's the man that you fought for this morning. The same one you're going to make love to tonight. That's true, that's love. Sometimes I've been the crying for unborn children that might have made me complete. But I took the sweet life, I never knew I'd be bitter from the sweet. I'd spend my life exploring the southern whoring that cost too much to be free. Hey lady, I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Ooh, I've been to paradise. Okay, dito nga sunata po kat may palagip unay kanyak ta. Kanain nga kang kansyon ni Manang Kong. Ayan. Thank you very much ate for teaching me how to sing. Isungor nga isubsublik kang ka dito nga sunata. I've never been to me. Kaadwa na po dito nga pagarup si babae nga hanap pa'y nakadantano dito nga lugar. But actually, nakadanon dan. Never been to me. And here's another requested piece from Graham Lewis. Nagana pa lang?
Mr. Cordon.
Ayan, Mr. Cordon.
Sabi niya siya si DJ Sean. Save the last dance for me, DJ Sean. Sabi niya, ikatetext niya lang na taga-Cordon siya.
Taga-Cordon, kaya nga, muntik na siyang nanalo. Okay, nga Ruth, may sabi nga sunata po.
Once I was 7 years old, Mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. Buying lemons, smoking herbs, and drinking burning liquor. Never reach her, we were out to make the steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that story just always seemed to bore me, 'cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun when I was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. I only see my goals, I don't believe in failure, 'cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. I was worrying about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Our songs have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. My own were children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory. And some I had to leave behind, my brother, I'm still sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a little ones. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old, and will I think the world is cold, and will I have a lot of children who can
Tuwan-tuwa naman ako doon. Ngarud. And of course, para kini kabsat nga Lisa. Ano man ang Lisa, dito nga sunata. Dito ti may sa kadagiti favorito ng kansyunan ni John Mark. Song called 7 years old. Kat kaaruba, may sapay nga sunata. Para kadagiti superstars. Iti biyag tayo. Dito ay sa marunong nga kansyon may ay tanong tayo nga rod dagiti naganag tayo. Aglalo kadagiti nananang tayo. To all mothers, you are the superstar. Ayan. Awani sa baling ang superstar sa biyag tayo. Nung nga dagiti nanang tayo nga rod. Biglang kumatay di nanay ko. Sa ko na iti ayan na kanyak tata. Nanay, you are the superstar.
And I can't hardly wait to be with you again.
What to say to make you come again? Come back to me again and play your sad guitar.
Don't you remember you told me you love me, baby? You said you'd be coming back this way again, baby. Baby, 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 oh baby, I love you, I really do. Don't you remember you told me you love me, baby? You said you'd be coming back this way again, baby. Baby, 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 oh baby, I love you, I really do.
Okay, just for fun, karuba, kagayaman kami kat mansakitin na kami pagkata talaga nga dumtengan na po nagtengan ti oras intay pa nagsisiyan kat oray no pagbatid nakaitit kami iti basit apong orak sa kata kayo napaisam na kayo aglalo kadagiti naganak kasi tingay data dagiti nanang tayo. Again, happy Mother's Day from the 4 do da kami tumanan apo karuba next week the same time the same frequency. Ano pa the frequency pa dito lang nga po 97.7 Sweet Radio nagsamit your manong Jun Seriales
Yan ka na kanyo nga dyan, Mark Pastor.
and saying good bye and God bless everyone. May sama na pong naisala sa lumin ang sunata tititmita kayo a song called Zombie. Ayan. Melody.
Parang may multo lang ah.
Ewan ko pa kung bakit ito pinatugtog ko.
Si Kaman.
Hindi kasi bagay na bagay sa boses mo. Okay, here we go.
Another mother's breaking.
Yun, may mother kasi.
All is taking over. When the violence causes silence, we must be mistaken. Is the same old team since 1916? In your head, they'll still fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they're dying. In your head, someday, what's in your head? In your head, someday,
Thank you, Karuba. At nagatitog nga pamakaranayan. Okay? Till next week. God bless everyone.
7.7
Sweet!